Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to today's video. So very excited because I got my FabFitFun Spring 2025. So the first box of 2025 is here and gonna unbox it today. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, what I do is I do a spoiler video. I've been doing this for a couple seasons now where I do a spoiler where I go over all the choices that have been leaked, or like, I guess not even leaked, they're released by FabFitFun now. I go over those and kind of talk about what I think I'm gonna get, and then this is my unboxing video. So I'm gonna do something a little different this time. Is I'm not going to go over what the choices were because those are all in the spoiler video, and I have received feedback that I don't need to, people just want to kind of see what I got and what they think of it. So that's what I'm going to do. So if you want to see like the full choices, the pictures and everything and my thoughts on them, you can go back to that video. So I'll post it up here. And that way, hopefully this video is a little shorter. Plus I've been sick and I need to make this video short. So I'm going to put it that way. But for the most part, I got what I thought. I did make a few changes and I did do a few add-ons. So if you are new to FabFitFun or you've never subscribed, there's seasonal and there's annual. I'm an annual subscriber, which means I have to pay upfront an annual price. But my annual price is actually $15 cheaper a box. So you end up saving $60 over the year. I think I pay $59.99 for like per box is, you know, what it comes out to. I think it comes out to like $229, I don't know, something like $219.99, something like that. But I pay that once a year, and then but then I have to pay again. And then also with annual subscribers, you get to pick 2 weeks before. So you do get the best choices. I do like that, you know, but now seasonal subscribers, you can pay quarterly, so you can skip a quarter. You can actually skip a quarter if you want, but you've already paid, but you do pay more. And some things might be already out of stock, you know, by the time, I don't know how, I don't get to see what's available when the seasonal subscribers go, so I don't know what's available. So if you're a seasonal subscriber, go ahead and put in the comments below like what was available, if anything wasn't available when you were when to choose, because I'm curious. I'm curious, like, do they hold things back? I would think they hold some things back, but not everything. That's my thought. But anyway, so there's 6 customizations and you get to pick one thing, because I had a couple of questions on this. You get to pick one thing from each customization. However, then you can, if there's like 2 things that you really, really want in a customization, a lot of times you can add on. So you can, like, customization, you pick one item and you can pick a second item for $17. Everything is $17, you know, the thing. And then usually they limit it up to 2 per item. So there's been some that I've done a lot of add-ons and there's some that I've done no add-ons. So, but that's another thing. So I had a lot of questions about add-ons. Some people were really confused about that, but that's what it is. You pick one from all 6. This time they did not have any like credits. Last season was the first time I'd ever seen like credits where if you didn't want a selection, you got a credit. And there were 2 customizations that I got a credit. They didn't have that this time. I think, you know, winter was kind of a box that was kind of crappy. So, you know, there were things that I liked, but it really wasn't the best box. So that's kind of, I wasn't surprised. Maybe they realized that and that's why they offered the credit. The credit wasn't a good value, but it's better a value than if you don't want anything. But anyway, so that's kind of how add-ons work and, you know, the credit. But let's go ahead and start with which I chose in each customization. Okay, so customization is usually the best one. It's the one that's usually worth the most money. The add-ons, I believe, were $17. I did not get any, so I'm not confirmed. I forgot to do screenshots this time. Sorry about that. There was a LUXE choice. So a LUXE choice is something they offer every once in a while where you can make a choice in a customization, but then you have to pay an additional fee. One time there was one of those like stylers. I did do that one. Then there was one time there was a Fenty perfume. It was like an extra $20. And then this time there was a Augustinus Bader cream, the face cream, that it was an extra $28. I thought I was going to do that. I really thought I was going to do that. But I also really wanted the frying pan. And I went back and forth of what I wanted. And then I was going to choose the cream and pay the $28. But this was the catch. If you did the LUXE choice and did the $28, then you couldn't do any add-ons. You couldn't do any add-ons for customization number 1. So that was my sign that I wasn't meant to get the cream. And I was kind of back and forth because I do have a lot of skincare. So I ended up getting the frying pan. I got the frying pan and it's nice. It's a really nice frying pan. I know this kind of sounds kind of silly, but I really wanted the frying pan. You know, it's I cook every night. I have a 9-year-old. Cook, you know, I work from home, so cook every day. I wanted the frying pan, and I should have probably got another one for an add-on because it's a really nice frying pan. So yeah, I got the frying pan, really happy. Other things where there was like a Windbreaker, there was a Robe, a travel bag, which I have a similar one, which is great, but I didn't need another one. So they had some really great products, but I ended up with a frying pan. Okay, customization number 2, add-ons were, I believe, $15. And again, I didn't choose any add-ons. There was like the eyeshadow stick, which I already had, a lip gloss, like a laptop clutch, which was going to be too small for my laptop, Milk Hydro Grip Primer, blush trio. So they had a lot of good choices, but this was one that I really didn't really think there was anything that I really wanted, like, oh, this is what I really want. So I was leaning toward the eye serum, and that's what I got. So this is the OC Malibu Ocean Eyes Age-Defying Eye Serum. So this was the box, and this is worth $58. And I don't really have anything like this. I have eye creams, but I don't really have any eye serums. So it's very, very, it's like almost, it feels like water. So I'm excited to try this. I'll do anything for my eyes. I'm 48, so anything for my under eyes. Yeah, it says, let's see, hydrating gel serum addresses visible signs of aging around the eyes, including the look of fine lines and crow's feet. So roll under the eyes. So it says roll under the eyes. I'll have to see if I can use it on the eyelids. I'm assuming no. Usually you can't, but I'll look and see if you can. But yeah, so $58. There wasn't anything that called out to me, but I am excited to try this, so I'm glad I got it. Okay, so moving on to customization number 4. This one I do know it was $14 for the add-ons because I did get an add-on. So there was a couple choices in this one. A lot of skincare in customization number 3. There was a mask, there was a cleanser, which was a great cleanser. There was a leave-in conditioner for Moroccan oil, 2 shower gels, actually, and then Color Wow natural serum for curly hair. So obviously, so definitely some different types of there was an ice roller, which I don't have that one, but some really great products. And then there was a lash serum, a lash and brow serum from Dr. Brandt. I haven't tried that one, but there were the thing that I thought I was going to get was what I got. It is the Crystal Haze mini Serena hoops in gold or silver, and I got both. So basically these are them. They are cubic zirconia and gold plated and silver plated. So, you know, they say that they're like $85 for these gold and $65 for the silver. No, I would not have paid that. But for the $14 that I paid for the add-on and then one included in my box, I think they're great. So that's the silver, and then here is the gold. And one of the things I like about them is you have the cubic zirconia, the stones there, but then the stones are also in the inside, in the back. So you get that sparkle there too. So I really like them. Very lightweight, very comfortable. I feel them when I move, but that's it. Like, they're very, very lightweight. So I could wear these easily, you know, daily and not, you know, they're not going to bother me. So if you're one, they're not very heavy. So the only thing is that they do pull. So if you're going to get something where you could pull them down, maybe stick with a Huggy. But otherwise, if I want something to show up a little bit more, usually I wear Huggies, something that's really close. But if I want to show up a little bit more, I like them. And I really like the gold. I tend to lean towards silver jewelry for some reason, but I really like the gold one. So I'm very happy with this choice. Okay, next up was customization number 4. I believe the add-ons were $12. I didn't add anything on here, so I don't know for sure. Again, this was a category that there really wasn't anything that called out to me that I needed. A lot of the stuff I liked, but it was like, I just don't need another one. And then there was nail stuff, body scrub, there was bracelets. I really don't wear bracelets. Some eye masks, which are great, but I just never get around to using. I have so many that I haven't used myself. A hand cream, which I have way too much of. So I thought I was going to get this, and this is what I got, which is the Volition Facial Fitness Kit. It's an ID puffer and a face sculptor. It says it's $42. I wouldn't pay $42 for this, but I do like it, and I like, so first of all, this is the packaging, and it came in, they were in here, but this is the size. So they were a lot smaller than I thought, but I actually really like them. And you basically, this is the massager. So this is the face sculptor and massaging. So you can do it with or without skincare. You just kind of do this. I would do it with, I haven't used it yet, but I would use it with my skincare. Like when I put my products on, kind of use it to massage. And then this is really nice. This is the Eye-Defying tool. So this, look, it just, even with like right now, it's cool. So it's really cool. And then you can even do it over your eye too. So I have puffy eyes in the morning, especially. So this I really, really like. So I have a jade roller that I keep in my freezer. So you can keep this in the freezer, I think. And this will help me in the morning when my coffee's being made. I can kind of just do this. So I'm excited about these. I would not have purchased these myself, but I like that they're small, they're compact, and you know, I can add this to my daily routine. So very happy with my customization number 4 as well. Okay, next up was customization number 5. Now this was the first time the add-on price went down. Last time it was 10, now it was 9, so it went down in price by $1. They had some good choices. This was one that there was a couple of things that I liked. A lip balm, zit stick I already had. There was the exfoliating body bar I thought about. The milk bronzer was great, but I already have it. So I thought I was going to get the brush, and that's what I got. So this is a vent brush. It is from the brand, insert name here, or INH. It came in this box, really nice. I love a good vent brush. I actually kind of wish I had added on another one, even at $9. Yeah, I know you could probably find them, but this one's a really good quality one. Doesn't feel, I've had them break before. Like the wet brushes are great, but sometimes they will break. But this one seems really good. I love a good vent brush. This is what I usually use with my hair. So and I actually like this color. It's like a really pale blush pink. So I'm very happy to get this. Very glad to have added it. And I did do an add-on at $9, and this is the Bloom Greens and Superfood. So there's 12 stick packs. So this is a, let's see, it is superfood. So it's green and superfoods. We can help women everywhere transform their lives too. That's why we made our best-selling greens and superfoods conveniently on the go. Made with 30+ ingredients per serving, you will be able to fight bloat, aid digestion, boost energy, and support and gut health. So yeah, so it comes with 12, so less than $1 a pack. I've only tried one. I've tried mango, which was delicious. I put it in a small water and was great. So they're very convenient, really great on the go. I do have like a green juice that I take at home. So but these are nice to like take on vacation, especially like when I go on a cruise, because just the food there, even though I watch what I eat when I go on a cruise, there's a lot of preservatives and stuff, and I end up feeling bloated. So I'm definitely going to be taking this on our upcoming cruise in March. So yeah, for $9, definitely worth. Now it says it's normally $22. I wouldn't pay $22 for this probably, just because you could probably get the jar would be more economical. That's usually how it works, because you pay for like the packaging. But I'm glad I've tried it, and so far the first one I've tried is really good. So it's mango, berry, and coconut. So excited to try the other ones. Okay, and our last customization was customization number 6. So number 6 is usually a little bit more expensive than it was. It was $12. There were some good choices here, but a lot of stuff I already had. The Rose Inc Lash Mascara, Living Proof Clarifying Detox Shampoo is fantastic. I just don't need anything. There was a Perfume travel spray. I almost got that. I actually took it out of my cart. Just because I don't need any more perfume. So there was some really good choices in here. But there wasn't anything that I needed. Like, okay, I really need that. So I ended up getting the Periel, I don't know how it's pronounced. This is the Cycle Support Pack. So this isn't a multivitamin. This is a support pack that you take during your cycle. Even though I'm 48 and I am very much in perimenopause, which sucks, but I am very regular still. So I'm still pretty regular, and but I will just say, they are worse now in perimenopause than they were in my entire life. So anything that I can do to help ease my my cycle is welcomed. So this is the Cycle Support Pack. I haven't started it because you're supposed to start it on day 1. And basically what it has is day 1 to the first couple days of your cycle. So the first 7 days of your cycle, you take these 2 pills. This is the iron ease and the bloat relief. And then you have the PMS support for the other 21 days of your cycle. So yeah, so I mean, and obviously if you run a few days, you know, if you're a little, like sometimes I'm 30 days, whatever, then I don't know, you just don't take anything. But yeah, so you take the iron ease and the bloat relief for the first 7 days, and it's supposed to help you. It states, let's see, it was formulated to ease the side effects associated with your menstrual cycle, including fatigue, bloating, digestive discomfort, and changes in mood. As you move through your follicular and luteal phases of your cycle, this daily protocol is targeted to changing hormones. So I was like, there wasn't really anything else I wanted or needed. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to try this. So I actually bought 2. I got this one as my choice, and then I did an add-on for $12 because I was like, I really would suck if I really liked it and then I didn't get the add-on. So I wasn't only allowed to add on 1. I couldn't get more than that. So if it works, I will buy this. This says it is $40.59. But I will tell you, if it works and it helps my cycle, and I think 2 months I'll be able to really see, I will spend $40 for this. So I'm anxious. Let's fingers crossed it works a little bit. Okay, so that is it. That is everything I chose for this spring 2025. I thought it was a good solid box. Good solid box. There was a lot of things that I could have gotten, and I were good choices, but I just had stuff and I didn't need it. But I think what I got, I really am happy with. The add-ons I got, I'm really happy with. And honestly, there isn't anything, the only thing I regret not getting was the DIFF sunglasses. I really thought about getting them, but I really thought about it was that I get prescription. So I've actually looked into DIFF, and I might be getting some prescription sunglasses through them, but I don't really regret not getting those because I really don't wear sunglasses unless they're prescription, because I don't like wearing contacts. But I don't regret not getting the cream. There's nothing really I didn't get or I thought I was going to get, and then there's nothing I regret not getting. But everything I got, I'm like, yeah, I'm really happy I got that. Even like the facial roller, I'm like, yeah, I probably didn't need it, but it looks like something I'm going to use. So I'm very, very happy. It was a very, very solid box. So they did I checked in my account today, and they did reissue me 5 new. I used all of my free starter boxes. So after my spoilers, I had 5 people contact me. So I was able to give 5 free starter boxes to people. So if you're interested in FabFitFun and you've never been a subscriber, you can get a free starter box. It's not through me. I get no credit for it. I can just give 5 every quarter. And basically you just need to send me your full name and your email address. You can contact me through my website. There's a contact us form, or through Instagram. Most people contact me through Instagram, and just send me your email. I send it to them. You do have to give a credit card, and you have to give a credit card because you have to pay for shipping, and then it like signs you up as a seasonal subscriber, but you can always go in and cancel. So just make sure you read the fine print. So if you don't want to become a subscriber, or you don't want to pay that price, that you cancel before that time. It gives you a little bit of time. So it gives you time to do it, but just remember that, because once they ship your box and they charge you, you're not getting that money back. But I get nothing for it. I don't get a referral fee. I get nothing if you get it, but I get them. So I've already given them to my friends. So if you want them, I'd rather give them to people that are watching my videos. So just contact me if you're interested, but let me know if you got your spring 2025 box. What did you think? What'd you get? Are you happy with it? And then also, if you're a seasonal subscriber, let me know if in the comments below, were there choices that weren't available when you went in that were available for annual subscribers. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.